Welcome to the class of grammar. Today we are here to learn something about adjectives and their comparisons. Comparisons are of three types: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive is a thing where it is compared without the quality saying how much of this quality or without saying how much of this quality. These adjectives or degrees of comparison are of three types: positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. These degrees of comparisons, the first one, positive degree. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another noun is called positive degree. It's a syllable. This positive degree is the sweet. Or an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another noun. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective or comparative degree. Positive degree and comparative degree. The third one is superlative. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. The positive degree, if it is sweet, the comparative becomes sweeter. The superlative becomes sweetest. So these three types of degrees of comparison, let's see. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. It itself says how much, how many, the quantity or the quality of that word, like sweet, small, tall, bold, clever. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison, like she has a big house. She is the sweet girl. The tree is tall. He is a clever boy. The comparative degree refers to a great degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. These comparative degree, example, sweeter, smaller, taller, bolder, cleverer. Example, with the last. It is used to compare two objects, places, or places, like her house is bigger than my house. Badusha is sweeter than Rasmalai. This house is taller than adjacent house. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Like this is the only when compared to the among all the crowd. So this indicates that this superlative word is highest, like sweetest, smallest, tallest, boldest. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. Cleverest, kindest, youngest, greatest, finest, whitest. Mostly you can hear the sound of est at the end. For example, here, his house is the biggest of all. This pencil is the smallest of all pencils. This boy is cleverest in the class. This monument is the greatest in India. Like these are some of the examples. When we add er, est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants, we'll be adding er and est as the suffixes to the word, like dull, duller, dullest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, large, larger, largest, able, abler, ablest, noble, nobler, noblest, wise, wiser, wisest. So, happy, happier, happiest. These are some of the examples of er and est. Now let's go to the other. When the positive ends in e, we add r or st to the adjective, like large, larger, largest, happy, happier, happiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, the other point. When the positive ends in consonant Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Like the same, happiest. For example, we have lucky, luckier, luckiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Merry, merrier, merriest. So these are some of the examples where we are dropping the Y and using IER, IEST to the consonant positive word. So in the positive word, we have lucky, LUCKY, we have dropped Y and we have added IER, IEST. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and then add ER and EST. For example here, RED, red. What we are doing? REDDER, redder. REDDEST, reddest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. What we have done here? FAT, fat. A is the vowel plus consonant T. So what we are doing? We are doubling the consonant FATT and we are adding ER or EST for the superlative degree. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. Like for example, splendid, more splendid, most splendid. The splendid is the positive degree. And for comparative, we have added more. For superlative, we have added most. Useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. Courageous, most courageous, more courageous. Learn, more learn, most learn. Proper, more proper, most proper. So, the other point. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. These irregular degrees of comparison are like good, better, best. Well, better, best. So the words which do not form any comparative degree or any superlative degree, these irregular comparisons which gives the meaning of the same the words which we have used until now, like using ER, IEST, using more and most. For example, for that, good, better, best. Little, lesser, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Late, latter, latest. Old, older, oldest. Far, farther, farthest. Nigh, nigher, nighest. For, former, foremost. Out, outer, utmost. In, inner, inmost. We use than with a comparative degree. Use the with a superlative degree. Like, for example, here, what we are doing, to the positive word, we are using than for the comparative word and we are using the for the superlative word. Like for example, Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. In the same manner, he is later than I expected. The latter chapters are lacking in interest. For the same sentences, we are using the before the positive word in superlative degrees. Like Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. Ours is the last house in the street. I have not heard the latest news. So in these couple of sentences, we have used the word the before the superlative degrees from changing from positive to superlative degree. Like cleverer, cleverest. Strong, stronger, strongest. bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, evil, worse, worst. So these are some of the examples of degrees of comparison. Please go through and wait for the other video. Thank you. Subscribe.